Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to Geek, Dunn, Ryte, the show where I talk about whatever it is I feel like. I'm Chris. Thanks for coming to geek out with me. So today is time for something new. No, I don't mean the Casper Slide Part 2. Many of you know I recently got a PS4 Pro, and the microphone and earpiece that comes with, I mean, it's great to have something that comes with it, but it's really not that great, and it's kind of a hassle to kind of have to constantly plug it into the controller. And yeah, by the title of the video, you've seen that I got something while Black Friday shopping that I'm pretty excited about. By the title, you know what that something new is. I know, spoiler alert, right? This is something new for me. This is really exciting, and I got a great price on it during Black Friday. I just had to share this with you guys. I'm just so excited. Yup, the Astro A50 wireless for the PlayStation 4 and PC. Look at this box though. This is like heavy duty. There's this side of it. You can see some of the details of the headset. There's the back panel. Yeah, it is mod kit compatible. There's the side of it. I love these little designs that kind of are almost like etched in there. I love that. Even on the top it has it. Like, I love that. Let's go ahead and get this thing opened up, shall we? Ah, man, I love the packaging on this, because you can see even there's more. I guess that's their like spaceman robot, almost the blueprints of it. Hopefully y'all can see that on there. There's the back side of it. More of that artwork. There's the back side. Whoa. Now that's an unboxing experience. Wow. You're met right up front with the headset. Man, these are nice. First off, these cups rotate, but I'm loving the blue, and that's actually metal right there. And then nice pad on the top up here. I mean, this is, a lot of it is plastic, but it seems like really good plastic. And for something that has a battery in it, like, I'm really surprised that it's not heavier than this. I mean, like, yeah, there's a good weight to it, but yeah, I don't really have a problem with that. On this side is the microphone. Of course, you can bend it into whatever shape you want. Then you can mute it by raising it up. On the back side over here, you'll notice this 3-position area. And that's actually for like 3 different types of mixes that you can actually do within your computer. You can actually create your own EQ presets and just switch them on the fly right there. There's the power button. There's the surround button for 7.1 surround, and then there's the power switch for it. Down here, you'll see there's your volume rocker. Oh, it's like that soft rubber finish. Let's see about the what it feels like on the head. Ooh, yeah, that feels soft. I like it. Yep. That feels nice and soft. I mean, it's a decent amount of clamping force, but not too much clamping force. Even when you're wearing glasses and stuff, no big deal. Yeah, I like that. Also in the box, you get an optical cable. You get your manuals and registration stuff. This is the dock. Make sure that those contacts are in line with the metal contacts at the bottom of your headphones. Here, you have your different inputs. You have 2 optical inputs, and an auxiliary input. You can put a 3.5mm jack, which you can actually attach to your phone or something else if you want to put some music in there, if you're going to be doing some live streaming and everything like that, and you don't necessarily want to set up with like another service or something. You can go ahead, hook it up to your phone, and put the music in there, or just put music through your headphones, whichever. There's a switch here. Okay, first it charges via USB, and then you have a choice between PS4 and PC, and that kind of changes what the inputs are like. You have a micro USB to USB. So the charging thing over here is actually to charge third-party accessories, while you have your micro USB in the back here to be able to power the base, and it's essentially the hookup to the computer. Let me get this thing hooked up and then I'll give you a mic test. So this is a test of a microphone in the Astro A50 headset. Hopefully it sounds pretty decent. But this is essentially what you're going to be sounding like whenever you're gaming on your PC or even PS4. And yeah, once again, hopefully it sounds good. We'll I guess we'll find out together, or you're finding out before I even do. So good for you. So I'm going to pass this off to future me, who has taken some time and done some tests to see about sound quality, and he can give you his thoughts about how these things sound. All right. Here you go, future Chris. Thanks, past Chris. By the way, nice shirt. Yeah, actually, it really has been a few months, believe it or not, since I've originally gotten the Astro A50s. And I've had a good chance to use these quite frequently, and this headset is not exactly for the user that's looking for something that is plug and play. It's really something that requires a lot more of tweaking and tuning, which you can do with the software that you can download from the Astro website. If you're looking for a plug and play solution, just something that you could just quickly plug into your controller and away you go, I would recommend the Cloud Alphas from HyperX. They sound great. You're not gonna get like an incredible amount of volume, but they sound good and they're easy to use. But if you don't mind going back and forth between your computer and your console and tweaking your EQ and really changing up the settings quite a bit, then this is great. Did I really notice a difference with the simulated 7.1? No, I mean, yes, the sound stage did seem like to get a little bit bigger, but I didn't really notice too big of a difference in the directional things. Like I didn't really hear too much of people behind me or anything like that. However, does it sound good? Yeah, it sounds good. Does chat work pretty well? Yes. Can people hear me? Yes. Do I think this is worth the price tag? Only if it's on sale. Like it's MSRP? No, I don't think so. The only time that I would recommend getting this pair is if it's on sale. Or I would go maybe a step down, get the A40 TRs if you don't mind having the wire. And then that's another thing I want to talk about, that like the system of putting the headphones on the base to charge. Sometimes it can be hard to get the pins to line up right, and it takes like a bunch of tries to get it to where it looks like it's charging. But overall, I mean, I'm able to game for hours on this headset. It's nice to be able to just, you know, mute by bringing the mic up. It definitely feels solid, well-built construction. I love the aluminum blue on this particular set. I mean, I know it's green for Xbox. And also, I really like the fact that I can switch these between PC and PS4 pretty easily. I do like that feature. Now, the ear cups that come along with this, I'm not crazy about it just because of the fact that it's like putting on earmuffs for me personally. Like my ears feel already like there's heat going on the minute that I put these on, and that heat builds up, and these things definitely retain heat. Now, if my house were cold, I wouldn't mind it. But that's why I'm looking into getting the adapter kit, and that's one of the other pluses of these is, you know, the ear cups are pretty easy to replace. The adapter kit, it changes to a leatherette type ear cup. It changes the headband in there as well. I don't think that the price is really warranted, so I'm gonna try and see if I can get it on some sort of sale. In the meantime, I can deal with having hot ears. Overall, though, I am happy with my purchase. I'm really glad that I got it on the sale that I did on Black Friday. I feel like I did get a good deal in that respect. Not for novice users. I mean, you really need to know about computers and EQing and stuff, and making sure that you don't mind doing a lot of tweaking. It's a wireless headset, so if you don't want something with a lot of weight, go wired. But I haven't really noticed any sort of neck fatigue or anything like that while wearing these for long gaming sessions. Overall, yeah, I mean, keep an eye out for the Astro A50 when it goes on sale, and pick it up if you want a good, decent wireless headset. Once you get that EQ in, I mean, it sounds fantastic. It really does. Well, that's gonna wrap things up for this episode of Geek Done Right. Hey, what gaming headset do you have? Why'd you pick it up? Do you still like it? Are you wanting to change? Please let me know in the comment section down below. And please make sure to smash that like button. It helps me out a lot. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified of when new episodes come. More is coming, and it's gonna be great. And make sure to be ready for more episodes from Geek Done Right. Until next time, y'all take it easy. Peace.